Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the song I Surrender by Hillsong Worship. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you what arrangement you're going to learn in this tutorial. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this arrangement, in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Here I am, down on my knees again, surrendering all, surrendering all. Find me here, Lord, as you draw me near. I'm desperate for you, I'm desperate for you. I surrender. Drench my soul as mercy and grace unfold. I hunger and thirst, hunger and thirst. With arms stretched wide, I know you hear my cry. So speak to me now, speak to me now. I surrender, I surrender. I want to know you more, I want to know you more. I surrender, I surrender. I want to know you more, I want to know. Like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe within. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Like a mighty storm, stir within my soul. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe Lord, have your way in me. I surrender. Congratulations! Now you know how to lead the song I Surrender by Hillsong Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that you just learned in this tutorial, I've got you covered. I want you to learn even more of them by checking out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of these advanced guitar chords that you can start implementing into your own guitar playing to level up your guitar playing and become an advanced guitarist. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.